here the question number 20. Complete the following table. So by the space deficiency, I am doing like this. That is car model A, traveling with deceleration hard braking 6.0 meters per second square. Driver X, reaction time 0.20 seconds. I told what is the reaction time. Reaction time is nothing but when he needed to apply the brakes. That is reaction time. And here speed 54 kilometers per hour, and braking distance A is equal to how much we want to calculate, and total stopping distance B that we want to calculate. And here driver Y, reaction time 0.30 seconds and speed 72 km per hour. Braking distance C is equal to we want to calculate, and total stopping distance D also we want to calculate for car model, that is A, for driver X and driver Y. But here which one we want to calculate? Braking distance, total stopping distance. But what is meant by the braking distance? Braking distance is equal to distance traveled when brakes are applied. So when brakes are applied, V square minus U square equal to 2AS. S is equal to V square minus U square by 2A. And here total stopping distance is equal to braking distance plus distance traveled in reaction time. So how the question we did in 19th question, same as it is we are doing here, this one also. So here total stopping distance is equal to braking distance plus distance traveled in reaction time. So braking distance, whatever the distance here, that we will write here, plus this is distance traveled in reaction time, that is U into T. Now listen properly. First of all, here deceleration on hard braking is nothing but 6.0 meters per second square. But if I want to take acceleration, that is minus 6 meters per second square. Deceleration opposite acceleration. But here 54 kilometer per hour now. So 54 kilometer per hour, 54 into 5 by 18, cancellation with 3 is equal to 15 meters per second. That is the speed. So here now I want to take this one, V square minus U square equal to 2AS, S is equal to. So what is V square is nothing but here final velocity after applying the brakes, it becomes 0. So that means 0 square minus U means how much here? 15. That is 15 square divided by 2 into acceleration how much here? Minus 6 is equal to minus 225 divided by minus 12, minus minus cancel, that is 18.75 meters. Here this one 18.75 meters plus here velocity how much here? 15 into time how much? 0.2. So here 18.75 meters plus on multiplication of that we are getting 3 meters is equal to 21.75 meters. Make it as round, that is nearly 22 meters. This is the solution for option A and B. So this is the A and this is the B for driver X. Now we will calculate for driver Y. Speed is equal to 72 km per hour. So 72 into 5 by 18, 18 fours are 20 meters per second. Again we want to calculate braking distance and total stopping distance. Substitute here. Here V square 0 square minus U square, that is 20 square divided by 2 into minus 6. Same. So here minus 400 divided by minus 12. Here minus minus gets cancelled. The answer is 33 meters. So this is the option C. Now here already we know this one is 33 meters plus velocity how much here? 20 into time how much here? 0.3. So is equal to 33 meters plus here 6 meters. So what is the answer we are getting? 39 meters. So this is the which one option here? That is D. So that means what happens here? Braking distance, how much here we are getting here? 33 meters, and total stopping distance 39 meters. This is the solution for driver. Now we have to answer for car model B. Same driver X, driver Y, same reaction time and speed, everything same. But here E, F, G, H. But here braking distance, total stopping distance. Which one is changed here? Only the deceleration and hard braking, that is only changed. That is 7.5 meters per second square. But required acceleration, I will put negative sign. Here 54 km per hour convert into meters per second. Before we calculated, that's why 15 meters per second. 72 km per hour convert into meters per second, 20 meters per second. Already it is completed. Now here I want to calculate braking distance for driver X I am taking. So here is equal to 0 square minus 15 square divided by 2 into minus 7.5 is equal to 225 minus divided by 15. So here minus minus plus 15 15s are, that is 15 meters is the option for, that is E. And here total stopping distance. So already we calculated this one, how much here? 15 meters plus U, how much here? 15 into reaction time, how much? 0.2 on multiplication 15 meters plus 3 meters is equal to 18 meters. What is this one called? F. So here it is the F and it is the E. We got E value how much here? 15 meters. F value how much here? That is 18 meters we got. Now we are going to discuss about the driver Y. So for driver Y, here 0 square minus 20 square 2 into minus 7.5 is equal to minus 400 divided by minus 15, here minus minus plus 26.66 meters, that is nearly we will get 27 meters. Then here already we got here 27 meters plus here initial velocity, that is 20 into reaction time, that is 0.3 is equal to 27 meters. Here multiplication we are getting 6 meters is equal to 33 meters. So this is the G value and this is the H value. Now I will write the values here. What is the G value we got here? 27 meters. What is the H value we got here? 33 meters. This is the solution for question number 20.